So there's no letter engineer update out this week, but I've been doing a lot of important work for it behind the scenes in two main ways. First, I went to a local event and got the game in front of a bunch of other developers. Second, I made a test suite for the game that I'm kind of irrationally excited about. This test suite will make it super easy for me to make sure the game still works before each release, but it also lays the groundwork for important online functionality in future releases. Let's talk about it. The first step of the test suite was making the game able to replay solutions automatically. Specifically, I added command line arguments that let you load a specific solution to a specific level, then play that solution as fast as possible. Then I made some Python scripts that set up a database. Whenever I complete a level, I can choose to add it to that database in a way that's persistent even after I delete my save data. Then I can run another Python script to run the game on all the solutions in the database as quickly as possible. If the solution ran the exact same way, it displays in green. If it changed by taking a different amount of time or completing a different number of challenges, it will display as a warning. And if it doesn't complete in a reasonable time limit, it shows an error. Then the script saves all of this information to the database, as well as the version of the game the test ran on, so I can view previous test sessions or the history of a particularly problematic solution. So, how am I going to use this? The main way is that every time I make a new build, I can now easily run a single Python script to determine whether I've broken one of the old levels. Since I plan to add more and more levels and mechanics, this will save me a huge amount of time each release, and will definitely prevent some bugs from making it into them. But, as I said before, this also sets me up nicely for the online functionality I've wanted in this game since day one. I'm a big fan of optimization-based puzzles and daily word games, and one feature these two genres have in common is compare with friends. So, when you complete a level, it would be awesome to see how it compares to the world average. But to do that, I need to verify submitted solutions in some way, or else my scoreboards will all be at 999 within a week. But since I've set up determinism in this suite, I have almost all the parts I need to verify any solution. All the server needs to do is just run the game like I'm doing in my test suite. But I've been working on infrastructure all week. Next week, I'm hoping to do some work on some more gameplay changes. See you then.